Welcome back to the video, guys. Today we're going to create a magic book like this, where in one side is one book and the other can hide some secret. Let's take a look. First, what you need is a piece of paper like this, and we're going to divide it into two, horizontally like this. Next, you need a ruler, a pencil, and a cutter if you have, and also a scissor. First thing you got to do is, after you fold it like this, you open it and you will find the line. Cut through the line. After you cut the line, put one somewhere else, and we're going to work with one of the half. First, you need to fold it like this, just right at the edge. Fold it in half. After you fold it in half, you have it like this, and fold it again a quarter like this. One side to another, the other side to the back, just like this. Once you're done, reopen the paper and start to measure. Grab your ruler, place it like this, just right on the line, and measure it 1 centimeter each. Also with the other side. After you finish, you need to make a line from one dot to another, like this. After you're done, you can fold it again, so it's easier for you to cut. Fold it like this, and cut it following the lines. But don't cut it through, just by the lines, like this, starting from the middle to the end of the folding, like this. Once you're finished, grab the other paper that you put aside, and what you need to do is to fold it again in half, similar with what we did before with the paper before, and then cut by the folding. All you need to take is just two paper, so you may cut one edge and the other edge. just like this. After you finish, put aside the excess paper, and you need to pay attention. You need to put the paper into the cuts that we've done, like this. One from the top, and then down, and then going to the other side. It's like weaving. One paper on one side, the other paper on the other side. But be careful. Pay attention to the first one, like this. So if your first paper is from the top, you need to go from the bottom for the other side. So your weaving would be perfect. Maybe it's going to be difficult if your paper is too big, yeah? But I'm sure you'll figure it out. Now, after you're done, you have finished your book. All you need to do is fold it like this. As you can see, you can pull it from side by side and it will close like that. Now you have your book ready for drawing. I'm making a cover here saying my magic book. You may use different colors, and the first page I'm drawing a tree, and I want to draw a dog fruit, a popular block fruit. On the other side, I draw a shadow fruit because it looks like Batman. Don't forget to color, so it will be interesting. At the back, I create a treasure chest. Yellow color for the coin, gold for the sides, and red and brown as the detail. At the back, I draw the logo of the famous One Piece, the block fruits. And you're almost done. Now your book is done. You can actually hide the fruits like this. I hope this video will help you to create your magic book. Have fun, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye!